My name is Amos kenyi, sorry, and I would like to become a fine artist. But the purpose of becoming a fine artist, I want to design clothes, help people in designing signposts, drawing, printing books, and printing clothes also. So that's why I've been drawing, and I also like drawing so much. Yeah. Thank you so much, Affirmative Art, for the training, and it has really awakened me to continue drawing and doing all kinds of things, designing my book, so that it may help me to know or not to forget what I have been drawing. I really like to draw designs, clothes, and signposts.